This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro. Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So for today's video, I'll be showing you my wash day from start to finish using the Earth supplied line. And of course, I began in the shower and my hair was already detangled and in twists because that's how I like to wash my hair. And the first product I used was the shampoo. Now I want you guys to just keep in mind that all these products are below 30,000 Uganda shillings, which I found very affordable and quite a good price for products, if you know what I mean. So I apply the shampoo directly to my scalp and work it in. I also work the lather down the length of my hair. That way I know that the length of my hair will be clean without exactly being stripped. This shampoo actually cost 18,500 and I was very happy about that. Like I paid less than 20,000 for a good shampoo. Because it's very clarifying, I just went ahead to follow up with a deep conditioner without exactly going in twice. And this deep conditioner said to have castor oil and bamboo oil. Now I've never used a product with bamboo oil, so I found that very ingredient interesting, and then I went ahead to read the instructions on the tin and figure out what to do with it. I use these hair clips that I got from Moyera to section off my hair. If you guys want to see how much they retail for or what they have going, click the link in the description box to see what they have going. I section off my hair into 4 and I apply the deep conditioner. This deep conditioner was thick and I like my deep conditioners thick. It also gave me great sleep, so I think it's definitely one for the books. And the start, it didn't feel like it was moisturizing my hair or adding anything to it, but I was able to like go in and finger detangle. It also didn't smell very sweet. The scent was more subtle than sweet, so that's something to keep in mind if you are keen on those kind of things. I sectioned off my hair into 4 and then went ahead to take my shower, and then when I was done I was actually impressed. Like my hair felt soft, like cotton soft, because when I first applied the deep conditioner it didn't feel like it was doing anything for me, and I liked that afterwards, like that soft feeling. So I went ahead to take down all the sections and then just rinse out the deep conditioner from my hair. Now this part of my wash day takes me the longest time to do because I have low porosity hair and I have thick hair, so I spend a lot of time in the shower squeezing out products from my hair. When I was done, this is what my hair looked like, and it's not really a wash day if I don't give you guys a length check. That's where my hair is at now. I think I might trim it this year, but we'll see. So I followed this up with my leave-in, and this is what the leave-in looks like. It was thicker than I would like my leave-ins to be, but it was still very moisturizing and it did not flake on me as a leave-in, so that's a bonus. I went ahead to apply it to my hair directly and then just work it into the hair. So I followed that up with a curl popper. This is what the consistency of it. I applied it directly to my hair. I did struggle though to get it out of the bottle. I think the technique and the design just aren't for me. I would have loved an open tab tin, but you know, you get what you get. So I went ahead to twist my hair. Now this, at the beginning of this video, I said this is not a tutorial. If you guys are interested in knowing how I do my twist outs, I will leave some videos up in the eye above, somewhere on the left or the right, not quite sure. Okay, so my camera died right after I finished this twist, but I just want to be the first person to say this. I feel like these products are going to flake. Like, I hope I'm wrong. I really want to be wrong on this one, but I just feel like when I take the twist out, I feel like it's actually going to dry quicker than my regular twist out, because normally my hair dries within 2 days. Today is Friday. I was hoping to take it down on Sunday, but I feel like tomorrow it might be dry. We'll see. I think I was a little heavy-handed on this side, so we still have white stuff, but I just think these products are going to flake. on me. So this was actually a couple of days later. It was a Monday. You might realize that my twists are more chunky than small, and for me that reward from a small twist out is just too much work. Like, the reward is not tempting enough for me to do smaller twists. So I went ahead to apply some oil to my hands and just pull onto my hair. That way the bantu knots at the end can unravel, and also this will help me reduce frizz. Filling my twists, I like to work from the back to the front for no particular reasons, and all I do is just twist them in the opposite direction. And then this is what I had before separating and picking out the roots. So I went ahead to apply some more oil to my hand to help me reduce the amount of frizz I would cause by separating the twist. Now when I separate, I just pull the twist out and see where it naturally wants to come apart. If it doesn't want to, I leave it alone. That way I have a good amount of definition and a decent amount of volume, because I love me some big hair. So I followed up with a white tooth comb just to pick out the roots a bit and make my hair a little more raised than it already was. Now, I just want to say that I was wrong. These products did not flake on me at all. And I was very happy about that, because I just thought I need to wash my hair maybe like 2 days after taking out this twist out, but I didn't. My hair was also moisturized all through the week. So for me, I think the shampoo and the deep conditioner are definitely going to become a staple into my routine. The leave-in, not so much sold on because it's thicker than I would like. I like the styler. I just wish they had a different bottle so that it's easier to apply. And this is what my hair looked like when I was done. I wore this twist out for 3 days and then decided to put it into a high puff. So guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Love and blessings. See you in the next one.